two districts from all the 25 and now 36 states from our country. It is only because of your active participation we could able to reach more than 1.5 million schools spread over around 70,000 clusters and about 7,000 blocks across the country. We are also at the same time maintaining comprehensive profile of around more than about 8 million teachers. Very huge system. Large number of schools. At the one hand we have states or union territories like Lakshadweep having only 44 or 46 schools. On the other hand, we have states like Uttar Pradesh having more than 240,000 schools in particular school level of education. There are a good number of schools, states in our country which are having more than 100,000 schools. There are many states having more than 50,000 schools, but still there are schools. Number of states where the number of schools are much lower than the states which we have just mentioned. We all know that 2013-14 data collection was much smoother than the 2012-13. 2012-13 was the first year during which we have launched and collected data from all the schools imparting school education from primary to upper primary, secondary, higher secondary level. Some coordination problems between different agencies involved in data collection were brought to our knowledge. Data sharing, somewhere some problem were there. Checking, distribution of forms, printing of the forms, sharing information or report between the RMSA and SSA officers working at the different levels such as the state district, block level. Gap of communication between different agencies involved in data collection 2012-13 was reported to us. But I am very happy to share with you that during the year 2013-14, many of these limitations which were highlighted in the year 2013 were not at all reported from any of the states. Maybe because of the time, we have resolved many of these management issues between us, and we are quite confident that during the year 2014-15, entire data collection process of Unified DICE with 30th September 2014 as its date of reference will be much more smoother than in the previous years. The credit to this goes to all my friends, those who are working at the state level, in all the 36 states, all my MIS coordinators from computer programmers, system analysts working in more than 662 districts of our country, and now also many of our MIS officers working at the block level. Because many states, almost every state is having some computer professionals even at the block level. So the credit goes to all my friends, those who are working at all these levels for beautifully managing the entire 2013-14 data collection. Well friends, we have achieved a lot. All these points I used to share every time when I meet. Even though we have improved a lot, even the coverage has improved a lot, only few schools are yet to be covered, but still there are many issues, and they will continue to there. We can improve, we have improved, but improving the quality, consistency, coverage is not overnight that we can improve it. It is a very slow process. It will continue, it will improve at a very slow pace only. We are aware about our limitations. We also know how to improve the things. But as I already said, we have already said, it is a slow process and it will take its own time. Larger the MIS or the smaller is the MIS, the EMIS issues are the same. Lakshadweep is having the same issues as the UP is having. Maharashtra is having the same issues which is the Rajasthan is having. Or northeastern states are having the same MIS issues which the other states are having. Data capture format is not reached on time, it is not correctly filled in, it is not supplied well in time, sharing is a problem, checking is absolutely a problem still. Despite all our efforts, that the filled in DCF is not properly, optimally checked by our CRC, BRC, MIS coordinators at the state level, district level, and also at the national level. There are still lot of scope for further improvement. Last year we have given year of establishment, some years, this year the same school, the year of establishment is changed. Many a times even the school category is changed. A few instances, even the school management is changed. So despite all our achievements, there are many areas of concern and we are very much aware about all these concerns. This particular 2 days workshop is just to highlight what are these issues. We know only few issues, but you know more than us because you are directly connected to the field level officers, the school CRC and BRC coordinators and your MIS coordinators at the state district level. So you are much aware about realities at the ground level. So this particular workshop will further help us in improving the quality and consistency and coverage of our data. I just want to highlight a few issues for your consideration. But before that, I would also like to inform you that there are few important developments which have taken place at the national level. And you know better than me, is one important decision which the Ministry of Human Resource Development has taken recently is that all their future publications with regard to school education statistics from the year 2012-13 will based on DICE data, which means that the parallel collection of information system for selected educational statistics, which is renamed now, will discontinue and all the forthcoming statistical publications based on school education statistics will be based on the DICE data only. That is the one important decision which is just now taken by the MHR. Not only this, it has also been decided that All India Education Survey will continue. As you all know, All India Education Survey is being conducted by NCERT. This All India Education Survey is the latest one. The date of reference was 30th September 2009, which means that they are supposed to disseminate 2009-10 data through All India Education Survey. But it is now decided that they will collect information only on those variables which are not school-based. Number of habitations, having population 300 or 500 or 1000 or 500, having or not having schooling facilities within 1 kilometer or 3 kilometer or 5 kilometers, the variables which are not, baat mat karo yaar, please, baat jage karo. The variables which are not part of the DICE or which are not school based, they will continue to collect information on those variables. But the variables which are available in the DICE and are school based, With the school-based information, name of a school, teachers, enrollment, this information, that facility, which will continue to be collected only by through the DICE. So this is the latest two developments. On the one hand, this is very happy aspect that DICE is now recognized even by the Ministry of Education, even though the DICE data is being used for both developing district elementary as well as secondary education plans for the last so many years. But now it has been decided that DICE would be the only source of information on the school education. So this is very important to all of us. Very proud moment for all of us, those who are involved in strengthening of management information system in our country. But at the same time, it is also very challenging. And our responsibilities are more than in the previous years. Because everything, entire country, there would be only one source of data, and that would be your district information system for education. There won't be any other source on regular basis. So we are going to be, it is going to be very important for us, but at the same time it is very challenging for all of us. Whatever we have achieved now, we want to ensure the continuation of our efforts, which are now, which look that the efforts are now sustained over a period of time across the country. So that is one important thing. In view of these developments, the data capture format 2014-15, there are few modifications. 2014-15 data capture format has already been made available at dice.in. A few friends might have already seen it, otherwise it is also given in your information note. A few variables of All India Education Survey have been added to our 2014-15 data capture format. Only few variables. And many of these variables are related to secondary and higher secondary level of education. Whether the school is religious minority school, yes or no, and the type of minority, whether it is Muslim, Sikh, Jain, Christian, Parsi, Buddhist or any other, this is one addition in the year 2014-15 data capture format. Later on we will see that this is on the page number 11 of our data capture format. Then the second important addition is that pupils taught in mother tongue at primary level, yes or no. And then languages taught at the primary level. In DICE we have already about 19-20 languages of that was the medium of instructions, but we have kept the same course up to 19 and 20, and then lifted the course, remaining course from the All India Education Survey, and they are just placed here. Then we also have added, we already have a question on whether the school arranged medical checkup of our students during the previous academic year or not. Now a new question is added on how many, what is the frequency of medical checkup. Then 4 or 5 facilities with regard to secondary schools are added, whether the school is having science lab, mathematics lab, social science lab, pre-vocational lab, they all are taken from the All India Education Survey. Then for the secondary schools we have also added 2 new questions. One, whether the school is having local area network or not. And the second is whether the school is having the printer or not. Then in the teachers column, I think it is O table. We have added one variable all the other variables will remain same. We will discuss all these things, but I just want to highlight at this point of time whether the teachers are trained in use of computer and teaching through computer, yes or no. This is not relevant only to second year. At second year we thought that let it be collected for all the teachers, because it will give us some idea about the teachers training and whether their capability of teaching through computers in all the levels of education. Then finally, we have reintroduced one table, that is table J, that is the examination results. High level meeting held up in the ministry recently, and they have decided that let the examination results be reintroduced. Whether the school is conducting exams or it is through the CCE or RAD, the same questions they were available earlier, they are reintroduced, whether how many number of students appeared, number passed and passed with 60% and above marks in the terminal grade 4 or 5. We do not know still the terminal grade is 4 or not, but we have made option as it was earlier, terminal grade 4 and 5 and 7 and 8, and then boys and girls and ST, ST, OBC and general children. Because it was felt that DICE is very comprehensive in the nature, but so far as the student performance is concerned, not a single variable is there. It was also discussed that the SIR or All India Education, the NCERT achievement test, whether they can be incorporated in the DICE or not. But after discussion, it was decided that since the frequency of NCERT achievement test is different than the DICE, which is annual, then it is not conducted in all the districts, all the states, all the classes like that one. So finally it was decided to reintroduce the data capture for examination results. Well friends, these are the only few additions. We have also decided at the national level that in the year 2014-15 we will not allow additional supplementary variables, but to continue with the supplementary variables which we used during the year 2013-14. Let it be streamlined, let it be established, then only during the next 2 to 3 years we will see whether the new supplementary variables can be added or not. Because our, let it systematize, information is collected, and you ensure that collection information is used for the purpose which is for which the supplementary or additional variables were added. So we will continue with all these supplementary variables in the year 2014-15 also. As in the previous year, we will continue to print the data capture format from the software itself as we have used across the country in the year 2013-14 except in case of Rajasthan. For the regions not known to us, but year 2014-15, all the 35 states, they have reassured us, including Rajasthan, all the 36 states, that the data capture format will be printed only from the software. We have already requested you to send us the Hindi version of the data capture format as early as possible, and also a few in regional languages like, I think it is Gujarati and one more in Andhra or Telugu. So only 2 or 3 states. So you are also requested to share us the revised format with reference to the modifications, so that the data capture, the printing of the data capture format is smooth. Fortunately, unlike the last 2 years, this year the time with us is much more than in the previous years. We still have whole August, and September 30th is the date of reference, so we have a good number of days for us to get prepared ourselves, so as to ensure that data capture format is printed well in time. But before data capture format is printed, we will expose you to all of you are the users of the software. but I take this opportunity and request you to kindly update the